SAFA continues to take us for a joke. SAFA is starting serious bafethu. Yini lento leyo ukuthi bafana izodlala against Jamaica but the game won't be televised. For what reason? What reasons or what excuses does SAFA have for not televising that game? Tina, as South Africans back home, we want to rally behind Amachita. We want to support the boys. So if SAFA is making sure that this game is not broadcast or televised, bazamuka chiva ini. Amanyama team, yesterday Mexico was playing. Bebadala neSerbia izoli Mexico. That game was playing. A lot of us watched that game. So if maybe ibafana bana lento leyo ukuthi I know the issue is that we don't want Mexico to see how we're playing. Mexico showed the whole world ukuthi bona badlala kanjani. Abanandaba bafethu, what do you have to lose? Play game yakho, let your people watch it, let your people be able to support you. Now, SAFA went and wasted money. Bahamba bayohlanganisa game ne Mexico. Bayohlanganisa game ne Jamaica. I can assure you, SAFA was probably responsible for the travel costs. Asas, they can still explain bona. They were responsible for the travel costs ukuthi Jamaica fly izelapha Mexico izodlala ne bafana only for the game to not be broadcast or televised. Then what is the point of televisor le Nicaragua? Nale Nicaragua moskube bangasbonisanga. Why ba choose ama game abafuna siwabone nama game abangafuni siwabone? We want to support the boys. Sifuna ukubona ukuthi ngempela la machita lawa are ready so that by the time we play against Mexico we know exactly what to expect. So I think khona into abayisabayo lapha ku bafana. The problem is that bafana haven't won a game since 2026 aqalile. So now mhlambe bayasaba ukuthi if they broadcast or televise la game la sizobabona playing a goalless draw or sizobabona struggling to score against Jamaica, and then tina siyakhuluma tina sithuli sizobuya sikhuluma sithi Hugo Broos sichelile sathi now ama player right, why don't you select the right players and play them in their rightful positions? Because it doesn't make sense that Bafana is going to play a game and we can't even watch them. We are talking about a nation that qualified for the World Cup. Jamaica yona dude abananda banokuba nendaba nale game laba khona bazihlalele futhi ukuthi asiyeni kule game le. But the problem here is that SAFA bafethu ayisthathi serious as a country. Yazi labantu laba aniboni bafethu lento le. Labantu laba week in week out ikhona into nje abayenza ukuthi baloke babhizi bahlaza ibhola lethu emhlabeni. Qale kwaba indaba yakaMukwena, from indaba yakaMukwena sininini bekuyindaba yama visa, sininini mangasindaba yama visa amanye ama player ahambile amanye wahambanga. Coach uHelman Mkhelele kanathola ama visa yakhe emalangeni. Now SAFA futhi on top of that ithulile bafana badlale ngama player 12 against Nicaragua and still failed to score. Immense lento le yenzakalayo bafethu. Immense lento le yenzakalayo. Or basaba ukuthi namanje kuzoba ne mistake whoever uhlelo ebenchini responsible for the number of players that should be on the field uzoba blinded futhi angaboni ukuthi kunama player 12. And then manje thina ngoba thina siyakhuluma thina sizothulu bafethu. Ngivumelana nawe Just Lloyd bafuna ukufaka ama player 12 futhi so that we don't see. Angithi last time sibabonile ukuthi bafaka ama player 12 and esathi masikhuluma yathula SAFA abakhibanga ngisho ne statement ukuthi no, it was a mistake from uSibanibani no Hugo Broos akakhulumanga about playing 12 players. Instead Hugo Broos into ayenzile ukhulume ngokuthi Nicaragua was playing negative football. But why don't you talk ukuthi wena na ufake ama player 12? You got away with playing 12 players and your 12 players still couldn't score against 11 men. Awu bafethu yini mara kanti ngempela into yenzakalayo la bafethu ngisho ne structure sa 2010 besingcono ukuhlula lesibona manje 2010 bewangekho lama mistake lawa bafana leading to ama friendlies wabo nama build up beswabona ama game. What are you hiding from us South African supporters? Yini lo sifihlela yona? Why don't you want the game to be broadcast? SAFA should be making a return on investment moskule game. You hosting a Jamaica, let ama broadcaster wala South Africa bayidlala lento lena izoyithola imali through advertising Bafana is somehow a big country in Africa. So I don't think it's just South Africans that want to see Bafana play. We have Nigerians that want to see Bafana play, Zimbabweans that want to see Bafana play. Nkuluma ngama country that we were in the same group nabo. Let's skati silwela ama qualifiers. Bafuna ukubona ukuthi tisibona la machita lawa, how far can they go? Are these guys ready? Abomfukeng bayaziwa all over Africa. Tebogo Mokoena is one of the best players in Africa. I'd like to believe even people back north of Africa want to see Tebza Mrembula play. They want to see Tebza Mrembula play because Buffett likes to see excited. Sijabulile country to qualify as much as ikunama mistake amaningi. We always can't wait to watch Bafana play. So SAFA bayenze sure bathi namhlanje into esalayo into eyenzakalayo thina sizoncisha ubumnandi. Bathi sizoncisha ubumnandi, we will make sure that you don't get to watch us play because maybe bafuna ukudlala ama player i12 or Hugo Bruce usaba ukuthi Mexico izobhekelela le game leyana batshontsha ama tactics wakhe, but Mexico played their game and everyone could watch that game. That game was streamed everywhere. Ngisho nabantu ababhekelela kulama platform online bakwazile ukuyibheka le game leyana. Yena uyibonile Mexico ukuthi idlala kanjani. Mexico the way Mexico ngamsabi ngakhona Mexico ithe listen, we'll play Serbia, let the whole world watch. We want the world to see how ready we are. Yeah, baba. Sikhuluma ngabantu abazindaba zabo. But we want the whole world to see how ready we are. We want Bafana to see ukuthi manizodlala nathi nizodlala against in thina siyacasha. Thina siyazifihla ukuthi ay le game yethu against Jamaica mayingaveli, or is it maybe we are ashamed of the opposition that we are playing against makudlalwa neJamaica? Is it a matter ukuthi mhlambe siyasaba ukuthi phela if sidliwa iJamaica then umhlaba wonke uyabona iconfidence ama player izoba low? If certain things happen within SAFA, at least siphenikhethe siyokubuya nisitshele bafethu. Come back and tell us as SAFA ukuthi no, we are not going to televise this game because of so and so and so and so. Angeke nivele nithule nithi no, this game will be played behind closed doors. Behind closed doors yani. Behind closed doors yan, asazi what if bayodlala na ku indoor soccer, asazi nokuthi bayodlala at an actual stadium na igame yakhona. So it really doesn't make sense to me. So abo lokunja abo lama supporter we Bafana that are flying down to Mexico. My question is balendile, who's going to be supporting Bafana mabadlala against Jamaica? Who's going to be watching them? Because nobody's watching. So bazo baba bheke nje Hugo Bruce no Helman Mkelele ne technical team yeSAFA. Bafethi iSAFA isithathe serious as a country. iSAFA isithathe serious as a country bafethu. Ayikho lento le yenzakalayo lapha kuSAFA. So khona manje siyohlala the whole weekend akuna ball akuna in PSL iphelile, sisitshelele ukuthi at least sizokwazi ukubhekelela iBafana then maybe sibone ukuthi uHugo Bruce udlala ngabobani, siqala ama conversation as pundits sizikhulumela ukuthi no man thina I believe if Bafana ready, Bafana iko ready. Labantu laba bakakori more than 2 goals kulo nyaka lo. Abakakori more than 2 goals kulo nyaka lo. At least kule game lena mabatabalaze benza izinto eziright. Also, my other question is, other countries ama preparations wabo, they playing against big opposition. They playing against ama country abaziyo ukuthi laba bazos-challenger, they're going to give us a run for our money. So by the time we have to play in the World Cup as of next week, we already know bafethu what it's like to play under pressure. We already know what it's like to come back from behind or to play against a team that's good on the ball, that's good off the ball. Abadlala ama low block, ama high block. Jamaica abadlala liphi ball? Is the one player that you can name from Jamaica that's a big player? Likhona iplayer lase Jamaica idlala Europe. I wonder, it's a question maybe la ku comment section ningangitshela ningangicorrect. Is there a Jamaican player that plays Europe? Is there a Jamaican player that's ever played for Madrid, for a Barcelona, for Arsenal? Bakhona na ama player we Jamaica. So if Bafana is playing against Jamaica, which players from Jamaica can we say with confidence asiyamazi lo mnandi uzotest umbokazi? So kusho ukuthi umbokazi namhlanje uzogijima. Lo siyamazi uzoyibreaker ile kunjani ball position eBafana so kushuta abo teams abasenkingeni. 5 players from Jamaica esingababala. Has Jamaica even ever played in a World Cup? Has Jamaica even ever qualified to play for a continental competition? Yalabo nabasuka khona. Has Jamaica yona self ranked number 1 in the world? Is it worth playing Jamaica khona manje? Because the last time Bafana played against a big country, they played against Cameroon and they lost. Prior to that, they played against Egypt and they lost. Prior to that, they played against Nigeria. It was a 1-1 draw. So Bafana haven't really been tested at the highest level. Because nalesa skat badlala neZimbabwe Bafana cishe ya draw. They won that game 3-2. And that's the last time Bafana iboni pala bakora magola abalekile. The last time a striker scored for Bafana evidence mahuba makakora kudlalwa against Cameroon. Ever since then akuna striker se Bafana skesa kora. The only 2 players that have scored for Bafana this year, uOzwina Police nalomfana Mbegezeli Mbokazi. Doesn't that concern you as a fan? So if Bafana yahamba yodlala against Jamaica, whereas our key players, our important players failed to score against Nicaragua, bayoyenzani yona Jamaica yakhona? Is it even worth playing against Jamaica? Or is that game a waste of time? Maybe that's why bangafuni nokuthi bazivezele yona their game. Maybe SAFA themselves know what that game is not worth playing. They know ukuthi Jamaica is not going to challenge Bafana. So bayabona ukuthi azini ithi singamoshi isikhathi sisiveze. Angazi bafethu yini enizositshela bafethu, yini eningayisho into. Angazi if niyayibona lento the way mina ngibona ngakhona. Ithi ngivula ama line bafethu. Athi ngivula ama line bafethu. Ngivula ama line. Ngenani ke bafethu, join the conversation. How do you feel about the game between Bafana and Jamaica not being televised? Is sharp na lento lena ukuthi Bafana ama game ayo singawaboni. Yini le ngaka abayisabayo? yini lengaka abayisabayo why bangafuni ukudlala leya game iSAFA kwamele ukuthi iphendule isitshele ukuthi why bangafuni leya game leyana ukuyitelevisor and not only SAFA because Hugo Broos is the coach he has every right to push back and say ukuthi I know show the fans at home silendile sifikile let's show the fans ukuthi ever since la eMexico how ready we are sidlala kanjani so why are they not showing us that game bafethu why bangasibonisi le game yini lengaka abayisabayo